Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up SFML library and basic SFML code. For that you need to download VS Community. You can visit their website and download it. At first it downloads the VS Code installer. Basically this application manages all the versions of Visual Studio Code. By following the instructions. Once you have opened the installer, you won't have this interface like I have. This is what the interface you will see. Now you need to click on desktop development with C++ and click on install, and that's it. Now it will take some time to download the required files, then you can launch it. Now for SFML you have two options. First is to download SFML library from official website and set up it manually like static or dynamic. The other option is download already built-in file with CMake so you don't need to face more difficulties. I would recommend the second one option because you don't need to set up libraries again and again. For second option, you can visit this repository and download it, then extract it and use it. In this, you don't need to define that path for every time. You can check this CMake file is set up successfully or not by debugging and running the code provided by owner. Don't be afraid of this code because we will rewrite our own code that would be simple and understandable. Here you can see it has run successfully. Now I will write the first code just like the hello world, that will be simple and understandable. I will explain this code in the next video. Till that, keep learning. Thanks for watching.